everyone. Today, me and Celine would like to talk about the topic which is electrochemistry. So our focus of topic is the application of electrochemistry. So firstly, what is electrochemistry? Electrochemistry got electro and chemistry inside, so it must include the electrical and chemical energy. So here is the process of electrochemistry. We can see that the electron is moved from the anode to cathode. So is the electrochemistry. So first, what is the application of electrochemistry? Is to prevent the corrosion. Corrosion is the process which happens in the metal and is a very wasteful process. To prevent corrosion, we need to prevent the contact or between the metal and the air. So how does it work? It must be works between painting it with the pen, adding it with the grease, and through the galvanizing method, which is power it with zinc, which is more reactive metal, and the zinc will finally rush. The iron will be protected. So firstly, the method we are going to talk about is sacrificial coating. Sacrificial coating is a method which coating the metal with a more reactive layer. So it has three examples, which is galvanizing, thinning, and electroplating. Galvanizing is a process which coat it with the zinc. And second, thinning is a process which coat it with the tin. For example, the tin which we use for to drinks and sardine. And electroplating is cover it with more reactive metal, which the example is spoon. So secondly, we are going to talk about the catalytic protection. Catalytic protection is the method process which the protected metal used as the cathode and the sacrificial metal used as the cathode and used as the anode. So from this process we can see that the electron is moved from the magnesium, which acts as anode, to the cathode, which is iron, and the anode will finally oxidize and rust. The cathode will be protected, which the iron will not rush. The example of the example of catalytic protection is pipelines, storage tank, and ships. Thank you.
Okay, hello everyone. So for next, I will talk about the extraction of metals. And metals is a very useful and important substance in our life, as it always related to everything in our life. But most of the time, metals are not naturally occurring substance, since it needs to be extracted or purified from a mixture of metals. And in order to extract and purify the metals from this mixture of metals, we need to undergo the process electrolysis. So today I will talk about the extraction and also the purification. So at first I will talk about the extraction of aluminum metals first. So aluminum, the ore of aluminum is bauxite, which is also a kind of impure aluminum oxide. So in order to get the aluminum, we need to purify the aluminum oxide from the bauxite through the Bayer process, and then electrolyze the aluminum oxide to get the pure aluminum. So after we get the aluminum oxide from the Bayer process, we need to transfer it into electrolyte. But since aluminum aluminum oxide has a very high melting point. So if we want to melt it into the electrolyte, we need to melt it in the cryolite, which is a kind of aluminum compound with a very much low melting point. And after we melt it into the electrolyte, next we will see the process of the electrolysis. So for this, when the electricity is turned on, the aluminum ion from the aluminum oxide will go to the negative cathode, and then it will form the aluminum and sink to the bottom. So at the same time, the oxygen ion from the aluminum oxide will go to the carbon anode and undergoes a reaction, and at the same time, the anode will be used up, and this causes the anode need to be replaced regularly. And next, I will talk about the purification of the copper metal. For the purification of copper metal, it is same as the process of extraction, as it need to also undergo the electrolysis. So the electrolyte we use is copper 2 sulfate, and the cathode is the pure copper metal, and at the same time the anode is the impure copper metal. And so the process is that when the electricity is turned on, the copper 2 ion from the electrolyte will reduce at the cathode to form the copper metal, so the cathode will become thicker and thicker, and at the same time the copper from the anode will oxidize into copper 2 ion, so it will become thinner and thinner. And at that moment, some of the metal from the anode will become the anode slash at the bottom, and this will not be thrown away, as the anode slash is contain a very much valuable substance such as silver and also gold, so it will not be thrown away. So that's all for the extraction and copper extraction and also purification. So in conclusion, electrochemistry covers a wide range of fields in our life, not only what we have stated just now, but also food industry, medical industry, agriculture industry, and also other technology. So all of this has proven the amazingness of chemistry, and that's all from us. Thank you.